Assalamu alaikum dear student. I hope you all are fine with the grace of Almighty Allah. As you know, we have English class. In our last class we have read unit number 11, that was a voice judgment. In this I have given you a homework, that was exercise D. Some words are given to you here. I am going to read this exercise for you, and you will tally your answer. Either you have to check either you have done correct or not. So your exercise is: once in a small village, a poor man with only a few coins wandered into a farmer's market. He did not have enough money to buy meal. All he could afford to was a crusty slice of bread. As he was buying the bread, he noticed a big goat roasting on a spit. The smell was wonderful and he wished he could taste the goat. But he had only two small coins left in his pocket. He then had an idea. I hope you tallied your exercise with your this screenshot. Okay, after this we are going to start our new work, that are some exercises related to adverb. As dear student, you know that an adverb is a word that describes, adds information, gives detail of a verb or adjective or other adverb. And there are some kind that these are like adverb of manner, that ask how an action is done. For example, adverb of manner shows: she danced beautifully, he fought bravely, I wrote a letter neatly, she solved all the question easily. Another kind is that which is adverb of time. In adverb of time, it asks when an action is done. For examples, I get up early in the morning, I go to school daily, they will come right now. The third form is adverb of place, that asks where the action is done. You can get the help through these examples like: I will go outside, there are many animals in the zoo, she ran down the stairs, the sun rises from the east, above the sky many birds, above the trees many birds were flying. So these are some example which will help you in solving your this exercise. Exercises A we have on page number 56. Dear student, we have question that is underline the adverbs in each sentence. Number one sentence we have: she arrives early at the party. So when she arrives early, so early is adverb here. In second sentence, I ask him to phone home immediately. when I ask when I ask her to phone home, I ask to phone home immediately. Immediately is adverb here. In third sentence, the hare, a type of rabbit, moved quickly through the field. How he moved quickly. Next sentence is: he tiptoed silently down the stairs. How he tiptoed? He tiptoed silently. So silently is adverb here. In next sentence, the birds chirped sweetly in the trees. Here how the birds chirped? They chirped sweetly. So sweetly is a adverb. The coach roared loudly at the team. How he roared? Loudly. So loudly is adverb here. In next sentence we have: he was badly injured when he fell. In this sentence, how was he injured? Badly. So badly is adverb here. In sentence number 8, my grandmother visited us recently. When she visited? Recently. So recently is adverb here. In sentence number 9, he is extremely good at hurling. Hurling means throwing something, anything that you throw. So he is good at hurling. So extremely is adverb here. Number 10 sentence is: Molly answered the question correctly. How she answered? She answered correctly. So correctly is the adverb here. Okay dear student, after this we have exercise B, that is page number 56, same page. Here we have two rules: changing of adjective into adverb. Here some adverbs will be given to us and we have to change them into adjective will be given to us and we will change them into adverb. For that we will put lyl with all the words. For example, first word is slow, so when we will add lyl with it, it will become slowly. So slowly will be an adverb. Another rule is that if a word ends with y, for example, the word is busy, 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 it ends with y. So what we will do, we will remove y and we will add I plus ly. Then we can change the word into adverb. For example, the word is busy, busy. We will remove y and we will add ily, and the spelling will be busily, busily. Busily will be adverb here now. So now we are moving toward our exercise. Here are some adjectives and we are going to change them into adverb. Number one is soft. Soft will be changed into ly, softly, by adding ly. Next word is busy. We will write busy, busy, lyly, busily. We will remove y and we will add ily. Then we have number third, smooth. Smooth means soft. So the adverb of smooth is smoothly. We will simple add lyl with this. After this, fourth word is quiet. Quiet, for quiet. Quiet means calm. So we will add only lyl with it to make adverb quietly. Another word is number fifth word is gently. Gentle. Gentle is a adjective. So we will add simple lyl with it. Then we have another word that is lucky. So here the word lucky ends with y. So we will remove y and we will replace it with I, and then we will add lyl. So spelling will be lucki, lucky, lyl, luckily. Another is sudden. So we will add simple lyl, suddenly. Proud, simple lyl, we will add to make proudly. Next word is lazy. Here we have y, it ends with y. So we will replace y with I and we will add lyl to make it adverb. The spelling will be lazi, lazy, lyl, lazily. Next word is sweet. Sweetly, we will simple add lyl. Another word is happy. Here the word happy ends with y. So again we will remove y and we will replace I here and we will add lyl to make it adverb. happily, happily. Last word is rough. So we will add simple lyl to make it adverb. The word will be roughly. After this we have another exercise that is fill in the blanks. Here question is exercise C. Fill in the blanks with a suitable adverb from the list below. There is a list below. Here some adverbs are given like slowly, bravely, sadly, badly, noisily, heavily, swiftly, completely. We have to fill suitable adverbs in the given blanks. Okay. Number one sentence is the soldier fought. How he fought? Fought is the second form of fight. So how he fought? He fought bravely in the battle. Battle mean war. Number second is the girl's story was dash written. So how it was written? Here we have to mention the manner. So it was written badly. Number third sentence is yesterday it rained. How it rained? Here again we will use manner all the day long. So heavily. Yesterday it rained heavily all day long. Number fourth is the boy looked sadly at his broken computer. Here he has feeling. So how he looked? He looked. Here again the manner we are going to use sadly. Next is the snail crawled dash along the footpath. So snail crawled. So of course here we will write some action that can be like slowly or quickly. So here we have a word slowly. So we will write here slowly. Number 6 sentence, the swallow flew noisily through the air. As it flapped in the air, so it makes some noise. So the swallow flew noisily through the air. Number 7 and the last sentence is Fizza dash forgot to finish her homework. When he forgot, so mean she forgot to complete. So we will change adjective complete into adverb by using lyl, completely. So here a suitable word is Fizza completely forgot to finish her homework. after this, these were our 3 exercises that were related to the adverb. I hope you understood. After this, we have, dear student, one exercise for homework. You have homework. Do exercise E on page number 57. This exercise is on page number 57. You have to do this exercise on book. The exercise is teaser time. Rearrange these letters to make one new word. There are 9 words. You have to rearrange the letters to make new word from them. Number 1 is past. Number 2 is ashes. Number 3 is style, solve, quiet, serpent, petal, owlet, and drapes. So you have to change the letters there. You will replace them and you will arrange them and you will make new words, and you will do, dear student, this exercise on book. I hope you understood today's exercises. I wish you best of luck. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.